Okay, today is day 2 of our flip and renovation of this home. Yesterday, we concentrated mostly on plumbing, but we did do a few other things. So, for example, we did get the faucet installed in the kitchen, and we got the valve connected to the water line here. I could not finish this because I didn't have the correct fitting, but I did get it last night, so I should be able to finish installing that ice maker box, which is this. Should be able to get that installed into that hole, connected to that line later today. We did get this sink drain replaced, which was a bit of a booger. I actually had to cut it. Couldn't get it to loosen, so I actually had to cut it out. But that's done. We also did a bunch of demo because we had some additional time. So we got the blinds down. We opened up that arch that was there. So as you can see, the arch is gone. Took down the blind that was there, cleaned up some of the garbage, tested the plumbing. That little weird area is not leaking. I don't know why. Did do some demo in here, taking down the blinds, fixing up this closet, removing that box that went from that room to this, which is that fine box. That was removed. If you look at the video, that was there in that opening. And we took down the blinds. In this bathroom, we tested everything. It's fine. We got a pop-up from storage that'll work. I just got to get a pop-up stem because the one that's on there is rotted. Everything else here is working fine. And yesterday we also went in here into this master bath and we fixed this sink, which was not running very well. But we did get this corrected. We fixed this shower body so it's now up against the wall. I may have to tighten that a little bit or caulk it, but it's now flush against the wall and it's not moving around like it did. We did take this apart. We did test the valve. It does work. We took the spout out because we're going to replace it. It was rather corroded. I also tested the drain. It's working fine. And we tested this sink. It's working fine. So that was yesterday. Today, day 2, is water heater replacement day. So we will replace that water heater. That's the plan. And junk cleanup day. All that junk I showed you in the yard yesterday, the first day, will be removed today. That's the plan. And if I get a chance, I'll replace that glass on both of those windows and do some more demo in here. And maybe even do some sheetrocking, repairing some of the holes. So I should have a big one where that big box was.